Aunty Donna? Me don't know why I don't like her.
Lazy Wagwan. Lord of mercy.
Yeah, she was
and everybody should get all of their money.
Yeah.
And she has scam of it too.
Yeah.
When I come to Jamaica, I know everything.
Yeah.
Them no things everybody love her.
Like what she do.
And what is a necklace?
I help people and below. But she get and a free she do it for.
Yeah.
She get some of the people.
What are your story when I come down here?
She did gunman.
Gunman.
No, sir.
She got a gunman from where the place name. No, where the
You know your story, yeah?
Yeah, shot from the boy.
That's why the people know the That's why that's what we think of.
Pop story tell me. And where you say? And where who now say? And them is something there go on. Pop story tell me.
Of course, you gotta kill them more.
You don't know they know. I will not tell.
I'm done.
No.
Yeah.
Lord of His mercy.
Donna go. Yeah. Yeah. And the shopper come up front and she can't lick my friend that come here going there.
Who?
Karen, she can't lick her and she can't lick me.
Have you a friend?
Yeah, she's my friend. Not Donna. Donna and me and I not like Donna.
Oh. So you no come from Mountain View too?
No. He come from jungle.
And you come from Riva?
No, she come with you. Yeah.
You're a country girl.
Say we're not friends. We know you're tape with because we're not friends of Donna. What's that? Try tape with
No, me dey on live. So me want to hear how people. Me dey on live because no, me not take a picture. No, me not take a picture. Me never did, but I came in here with my life, right? But me want the people to hear the opinion how people feel about her. You understand? Not me.
Them say she turn cold too, you know.
Yeah, so them say. So your girl can like talk up, I know.
Me? I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing, me dear.
She don't know Aunty Donna and talk up.
Me not done her, me just, I just defend myself. By people in trouble me, I defend myself.
Defend yourself, don't make your friend.
I want you with the plank of them. What them say no sense?
I know, I the plank of them I behave, so. Of course, then cost me every day. Then they buy your right, then they buy their right, they don't cost me. Then cost me every day.
What?
Let me see, I want to give my little necklace here. You hear? Every time I come from Jamaica Avenue, this is what I hear. People have to hear the opinions. Me just make you know hear for yourself. So no hear for yourself, so me just left it right there. Me don't have to say nothing. You hear your opinion. Who like me from? Who not like who? Who like who from? Who like you? Who like this and who like that? I'm telling you, you cannot beat it. You understand? Me can't control people's mouth. I cannot control people's mouth. Everybody has the opinion. Who them like for who them like. Me have on my camera. Yep. Me cannot control what people say about people. That's all.
No, I see she's singing.
You never saw when I was singing?
Yeah. In that print dress she bought last week.
Oh, where's the dress that I bought last week?
I think you don't have no more. All we have one left.
The little dirty boy sent me there on social media with a $28 dress. See, yes, the same one we're coming here in the on social media showing the dress and saying I'm wearing $28 dress. See the dress here? Similar. Where is mine? He said me I wear $28 dress. I show the people them for make trouble. Where? See, they show them it. Yeah, him say a $28 dress me I wear. Bright and out of order. Yeah, bright and out of order. See? $200 dress him a bright up himself with. See all the dress them here, people? To the people them in Aruba, if you want Marcia to shop for you, just get in touch with me and I can buy you all these pretty dresses, okay? This is I've been shopping in this store over 20 years.